Hey YouTube, today we're at the Mohican. It's Hog Hollow Trail. It's 2.3 miles to the fire tower, and then after that we're going to see about doing the whole loop, or if not, we'll just come on back. Come along with us. So I've never really been on this trail before. Kind of want to see how far I can go. So we're just doing a little test run. I think it rained last night, at least here at Loudonville. But it's about 9:30 this morning, and it takes us about an hour and a half to get here. That ain't too bad. So looks like there's a bridge coming up. So every time we've been here to Mohican, I pretty much just did the trail that goes by the, like, I don't know what they call it, the bridge loop, or you start at the bridge, get back to Lions Falls, go across to the end, come back to the other side. And I've been here quite a few times. It's a pretty cool park, but I really don't know that much about it. And I know there's park and pack sites here somewhere, and I want to find out more about them. I'm gonna try to maybe do hiking. I got a new like backpack coming, and looks like this is going to evolve into, you know, actual backpacking eventually. Pretty much just day hike, but I want to give that a little shot. So I'm getting some equipment and stuff together, and this is just probably the best, maybe the best beginner place to start at. I know a lot of YouTubers, they come here, and I don't really know that much about the park other than a few places that I go. And every time I come back, I usually go to the same place. So. They're pretty nice little walkways they got. So far it's pretty cool. It ain't got hot yet. Really super green down here. The trail, it's pretty wide. This one's definitely well traveled, and a little muddy in places. I said it rained last night, so the temperature is pretty cool. I think it's going to be like 83 today, maybe, which is way hot for me, but cooler than it's been. landslide. The trail kind of gets narrow. It goes into this creek. It's kind of cool just walking the trail on the creek's right there. Under the tree. That's neat. White blaze. There's quite a few little bridges. Take a look here. So, trail's starting to get some elevation now. And that's usually what kicks my butt. Slow and steady. It usually kicks my ass, man. But I'm low mileage. I gotta try to get out. Let's try to do what I can do. And there's a tree down. So I'll get around that somehow. So we're still heading towards the fire tower, but we might be halfway there. So we can go through this.
Try to go that way, this way. This has got the steps.
Well,
is there a blaze somewhere?
yeah, you might be right. There's a blaze one down. There's one right there.
There's a blaze.
Yeah, that makes more sense. Holy moly. Be careful with a bunch of roots. So it's on all trails. This is listed as easy, so, but depends on who's warned, I guess. It is pretty easy, just a little elevation. You gotta watch what you're putting your feet. So we're taking a little break. Made like a mile and a half up the hill, and still got like a mile to go to get to the fire tower. And so there's a little sign right there. It's location H. There's a little map on there. So here's this tree. It got holes all the way through it, like woodpeckers.
Termites.
So anyway, we're off again. Starting to level off a little bit. A welcome change. We're kind of in a pine forest now. Ferns and stuff. Pine needles on the ground. Kind of downhill, it's cool. Not quite so hot in here. And it's leveled off finally. All these ferns. Freaking everywhere. I don't know if I've ever seen so many ferns. Still nice and flat, so that's what I like. Pretty easy now. I'm coming out to some road. There's a place. That must be the road to the science center or something. Youth center or whatever it is. Alright. It says this way. Pretty nice in here. And we're getting pretty close. Here's the map for Area F. It's HH Hollow, that way, that's the way we come. But right here, like an intersection, so that way is a fire tower, which was kind of further than I thought it would be. But this way, right here, is the camp. So there's some kind of camp down there. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know. If anybody knows like what campground that one is, let me know like in the comments. Or maybe it's just the bridle area. I'm not sure. Anyway, we're right here. Fire tower, I can see it from here. So, probably go there, take a little break. I got some beef jerky. Take a drink. And decide our other route. Whether we're just going to go back the way we come, which that'd probably be okay with me. Or what we're going to do. So, we'll be back. We're here at the fire tower. Now, the last time we was here, you go up that. You go all the way to the top, but you can go to the very top. I had it blocked off. So, I don't know if they just have it off. I'm not sure why they have it blocked off. Private liability. But anyway. Yeah, we're doing a little road walking, heading down to the bridge. So, I figured it was a flatter, quicker route. Yeah, we're getting close. Alright guys, made it back to the bridge finally. Thanks for coming on this little adventure with us. You could really help my channel out if you'd share my videos. If you would, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Till next trip. Thanks. Go so. Yeah, go so. GoPro stop video. I think you're dead. Are you just resting? Oh, you are dead. Fly, my friend.